In this video we will be learning how to make a connection with one switch and two PCs. Add 296024 TD switch, then add 2 PCs. Now you can either choose this lightning cable option to automatically choose a connection type, or you can use fast Ethernet cable like me. To send a message from first PC to second PC, we have to assign them similar IPs of the same class. I am gonna assign class C IP to both PCs. Double-click on the first PC and go to IP configuration. And now assign it any IP of class C. I am gonna assign it 192.168.1.1, and it will automatically generate the subnet. Now I am gonna do the same for the second PC, and assign it an IP address that comes after the IP of my first PC. Now let's try to check the connection between the two PC by sending a message. As you can see, my message was successfully sent. You can even watch the stimulation of the message being sent. This feature is especially useful to find the error in your network. If I change the IP of the first PC to something completely different from the second PC, it will fail to send the message. Now, let's check whether the message will still be successfully sent or not. As you can see, the message has failed, but we can resolve this issue by giving it its previous IP.